First of all, Zandile, you know what? Do not be disturbed about this frontline state. As long people, they believe in you, fight for them. Do not give up, my sister. Do not give up. We are all human beings. We are not perfect, by the way. Even though these stupid black South African, they can say, politics is not for you. Politics is for them, but it's not working for them. The country has been destroyed under their watch because of politics is for them. Black-minded with short hair, they will always be stupid as they are. Short hair, by the way. Continue doing the good work. As long you have your supporters. These people is about them time element for sec. They must go and fix their problems. All your enemies, they are happy. Talk about attacking white people, you will see. Until today, many of these stupid black people, they want to seek revenge to white people. I fail to understand why they still hate white people. I know there's some of white people, they still hate us as black people, but this is not the time to promote hate. It's about them time to develop our own country. The character of black people, I can tell you, black people, they are stupid, but they are educated. No matter how they can be educated, they will always be stupid as they are. Do not be bothered about this. Fight for your own people. Fight for your country. Do not be an empty team, just like EFF members. EFF, they are most stupid people in the world.
Molweni Bambakuthi, I want to respond to a retweet Julius Malema athuka okanye onyelisa khona uZandile Dabula, president Operation Dudula, athi kuyo we are subject to rubbish, total garbage. Ngenxa yombuzo uZandile angakwazanga uphendula ekubuzwa kuye into obuyayazi ni front state, i-frontline state ngokwe history of the African politics. I don't think we need to be very harsh kuZandile, because being a political science student myself, kukho izinto ezingenzi sense that you study even in politics, but ezingeyo reality ne-lived experience yabantu njengale sithetha ngayo ye-immigration. The first country to be liberated eAfrica yayiGhana ngo-1959, followed by iNigeria, I think ngo-1962. Xa kunamhlanje okanye abantu bokuqala ukuza eSouth Africa from Africa, it was Ghanaians. Iitishali esasizibona zimnyama zisuka kwamanye amazwe, but you tell me iGhana yona was the first country to be independent. Kwakutheni ze basuke eGhana beze South Africa? So when we talk about lived realities nale immigration yabantu abasuka all over, i-Nigerians ngoku zigcwele lonke ilizwe eli azifunwa kwamanye amazwe because of their conduct. And then you will tell us about one Africa. Why this one Africa abantu cannot first solve the problems of their countries and then we talk one Africa? So Julius Malema is being ignorant, intentional. I know he's a political student himself, political science student himself, ne-honors degree, ne-degree honors. Uba the strong kula political science ayenzayo, ngeyimajorishe nge-economics, njengebe-economic freedom fight, angamajorishe nge-citizenship, azoyazi uba exactly what it is meant by economics. So he must not be petty, Julius Malema. NgoZandile. uZandile is raising real issues zabantu abafika kweli lizwe bathengisa drugs babulala youth yethu, zamandiya, Pakistanians, Somalians abafika apha bathengise ukutya okubolile nokutya okudala, abathathe iziphaza shops. Is raising issues as valid about Zimbabweans who came here still copper that they ruin this country. Uzandile, he's raising real issues as affect abantu bakuthi, but the only thing you can listen or umgxeke ngayo into yoba engayazi frontline state izokwenza lo frontline state eSouth Africa even now as a frontline state that were fighting apartheid then, forming frontline what I can call resistance against the regimes. Asisebenzi ngoku because now we are dealing with matters politicians eziziyekileyo, because politicians should fix their own countries. So Julius Malema is very petty, and I don't know why people think Julius Malema can save this country nge-attitude anayo xa abantu besithi raise the issue of illegal immigrants, because we have a lived experience ngento foreigners. So you must not be petty and try to score political points in Zandile. Please, Zandile is raising real issues. March and March, they are raising real issues. Action SA, they are raising real issues about Elilizo in terms of immigration. They are raising real issues, not petty politics. There are many countries that there are countries that do not even have a written constitution, like Canada and New Zealand. They are prospering. You will tell them, but where is their constitution, all of that. They use what it works for them countries. So being a political science person, being a politician, you don't think you know everything, or don't undermine other people. Thank you. Danko, South Africans.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. So khona abantu laba badreka uZandile Dabula ngemva kokuthi atrende for failing to answer ukuthi yini ma frontline state ku national TV, and there are people who are actually defending her, saying ukuthi akufaneka avumele bantu labafuna kumdisturba bamdisturbe, like she must just keep on fighting because baningi abantu labakholelwa kuye, just because uhluleke kuphendula ama frontline states akusho lutho lo nje, into lengathi shuya kabaleki nokubaleka, and umuntu vele ngeke uze ukwadi konke. Sibonile naMalema, he's dragging uZandile lapha kubo Twitter, and people are saying ukuthi that one needs to go nje uyodila ne-health yakhe, because yabona ukuthi awunema issues ne-health yakhe. Instead ukuthi anake Zandile diningi abudinile kumele focus kudo yena unenkinga letiningi nje ayedwa. So people are saying ukuthi they still believe in Zandile, she must keep on fighting, aqhubeke njalo, ngavumi ukuthi bantu bamdiscourage bamqekele phansi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.